As the first step toward allowing a remote dial-up connection with OMNIAlog, it is necessary to set up OMNIAlog to transmit the communication through RS-232 port, to which will be connected the GSM modem, and not, as normally happens, through the LAN. To carry out any kind of change to the OMNIAlog configuration, you must have logged in as an administrator. Furthermore, you must make sure that OMNIAlog is in config mode. Choose the Advanced page, followed by the Connections page. Select the RS-232 GSM GPRS modem function from the Email and FTP port sending panel to transmit the traffic through this port. Scrolling down the page in the M2M password configuration panel, enter the access credentials to protect the dial-up connection. In this manner, whenever there is an attempt at a dial-up connection, these credentials will be requested to protect the dial-up connection itself. With this connection, there still remains the need to carry out a login to OMNIAlog after having established the remote connection. To establish the remote connection via a GSM modem connected to RS-232 port of OMNIAlog, it is necessary to configure the modem on the PC with which you intend to carry out the dial-up call to establish the connection. If there is not an internal modem or a GSM modem with a USB connection, you need to add the modem manually. It is therefore necessary to open the Microsoft Windows control panel. Choose Phone and Modem. In the window that opens, choose the Modem option. In this option, choose the Add button to add a new modem. A new window will open that will allow you to enter the new modem. Choose the Don't Detect My Modem. I will select it from a list option and press the Next button. Within a few seconds, a list of modem types will be loaded. Scroll down the list in the Model field until you find the standard 56,000 BPS modem model. Choose it and press Next. The COM ports to which it is possible to connect the modem will be presented. Choose the one to which the modem is physically connected or to which you intend to connect the modem at a later time, and press Next. Within a few seconds, the modem will be added. Press Finish to end this part of the configuration. The modem will thus be added to the list of available modems. The following procedure is also carried out in the case of an internal PC modem or in the case of a GSM modem with USB connection. It is necessary to check that the configuration parameters of the modem are correct. Therefore, choose the modem from the list and click on Properties. The modem configuration window will open. Press Change Setting in the main screen to change the modem configuration. Choose the modem panel and check that a speed of 115,200 BPS has been set in the maximum port speed field and that the Waiting for dial tone before dialing box has not been ticked. Choose the Advanced screen and press the Change Default Preferences button. In the new window, check once more that the speed is set at 115,200 BPS and set the Flow Control field to None. In the Advanced screen, check that the fields are configured as 8 for the data bits option, None for parity, and 1 for stop bits. Press OK to confirm the changes to all three windows. The modem is now correctly configured. To carry out a dial-up call and link a PC to OMNIAlog, it is necessary to create a remote connection on the PC. Right-click on the Connections icon on the Windows toolbar and choose the item Open Network and Sharing Center. In the window that opens, select the Set up a new connection or network option. The guided process to configure a new connection will commence. Choose the Connect to the Internet option and press Next. Choose Set up a new connection anyway. Select Dial-up. In the dial-up phone number field, enter the telephone number of the SIM in the GSM modem connected to OMNIAlog. Enter a name to identify the connection you are creating in the connection name field, for example, OMNIAlog Dial-up connection. Tick the Allow other people to use this connection box if you would like other PC users to be able to use this connection. Press Connect. Not having filled in all the fields, the connection will fail. The missing fields will be filled in later. For the moment, choose the Set up the connection anyway option. Press Close to end the configuration. Recalling the connections present on the PC via Windows should now also bring up the connection just created. Choosing and pressing Connect will open a screen on which it will be possible to enter the username and password of the dial-up connection. These credentials must be the same as those configured in the OMNIAlog Advanced Connection web page in the M2M Password Configuration section. Entering the credentials and pressing the dial button will make the call and establish the connection. As for a normal connection via the LAN cable, the dial-up connection also requires simply opening an internet browser and entering the following IP address: 192.168.125.1. Unlike the LAN connection, this IP address is fixed and cannot be changed by the user. The connection speed will prove slower due to the GSM connection not being a high-speed one. To end the dial-up connection, just closing the Internet browser is not sufficient. It is also necessary to identify the connection or, from the control panel or Windows toolbar, click the Disconnect button. If this operation is not carried out, the modem connected to the PC will still be calling the modem connected to OMNIAlog, generating traffic.